Hi everyone. Today we are going to be working on one of my favorite projects, and that is a fall pumpkin collage. Today you can decide if you would like your pumpkin to look like a pumpkin you've seen in a pumpkin patch, or if you would like to cut and glue shapes and features onto your pumpkin shape to give your pumpkin a personality. Maybe a silly mustache, maybe some eyelashes. The choice is yours. You could even challenge yourself and crank it up some notches. I created a swirly curly vine for the top of my pumpkin that I'll show you in just a moment, so the possibilities are endless. Let's talk about materials. Today for this project you will just need construction paper, pencil, an eraser, scissors, and glue. If you don't have glue in the bottle, you could use a glue stick or maybe even tape. When you're ready to start drawing out your pumpkin, I recommend practicing with your finger first. That way, you get a feel for how large you want your pumpkin to be. If you make your pumpkin too teeny tiny, you won't have room for many expressions and details later. I'm going to use a marker for this part, but I recommend that you use a pencil when you draw out your pumpkin, just in case you mess up. Or if you would rather use marker and you do mess up, just remember that like in a pumpkin patch, every pumpkin is different. Some are lumpy and bumpy, some are tall and skinny. It is okay. When you're ready, you can start cutting out your pumpkin. I always make sure to put my name on the back, just in case it gets lost. I know it's mine. Okay, now it's the fun part. You get to brainstorm and decide what kind of pumpkin you would like to make. Would you like your pumpkin to look like some of the beautiful pumpkins you may have seen in a pumpkin patch? Or would you like to give it a personality? Maybe vampire teeth, maybe long eyelashes, maybe some wings. You can work with your simple shapes or challenge yourself to create something better. Remember that the choice is yours. If you need to draw out your shapes in pencil first, you definitely can do that. Some shapes are harder to cut than others. Just make sure when you have drawn and cut that you glue the dirty side down, meaning if there's any pencil marks left, we don't want the pencil marks to show. We just want our viewers to see an amazing pumpkin. Here we go. Okay friends, it's time for our final step. When you're done cutting, you can arrange your shapes and prepare to attach them. If you have glue in a bottle, you can use that, just a dot, not a lot. Or if you have a glue stick, that works too. Maybe use more than normal, or even tape. This is going to be an amazing pumpkin collage if you take your time, do your best, and make great art.